Hey, so if you're using ClickUp and want to cut costs while still getting maximum value in 2026, this guide is going to help. I'll show you step by step how to reduce your spending without losing the features your team needs. First, open your browser and go to ClickUp. Log in using your email address and password. Once inside your workspace, you'll have access to all your settings, including plan and billing options, which is where we start optimizing. The first tip is to use the free plan effectively if you're a solo user or a small team. The free plan offers core task management, multiple views, and basic collaboration. Many small teams don't need paid features at first, so test the free plan thoroughly before upgrading. Next, evaluate your team size and seats. ClickUp charges per user, so only add people who actually need full access. Invite external collaborators or clients as guests who often don't count toward your paid seats. This alone can save a lot of money every month. Another cost-saving strategy is to focus on features you actually use. Paid plans unlock dashboards, automations, advanced reporting, and integrations. But if your team doesn't rely on all of them, choose a plan that fits your workflow. Avoid paying for extras you won't use. Also, leverage automation and integrations wisely. By automating repetitive tasks and connecting apps like Google Drive or Slack, you can reduce manual work and the need for additional tools. Using ClickUp as your central hub means fewer subscriptions elsewhere. Lastly, consider annual billing. Many ClickUp plans offer discounts if you pay yearly instead of monthly, which can save a significant percentage over time. And that's basically it. By managing team seats, using the free plan when possible, focusing on essential features, leveraging automation, and choosing annual billing, you can reduce ClickUp costs while keeping productivity high. If this video helped, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Share it with your team, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step ClickUp tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.